Why property is the best investment. We work hard to earn our income and we are all very careful how we spend it. Many successful investors spend a little and save a little. In modern times, we're spoiled for choice when it comes to investing. Why does property investment remain the most popular? Is property the best investment? Let's explore the basis why property investment is widely the most popular in Australia. Firstly, millionaires love property investment. Taking note of the last BRW Rich List 200, property has consistently been an influence of wealth creation in Australia. Some of these individuals haven't generated their initial wealth from property, but have added to their wealth with substantial property investment. Observing their success and emulating it within your own capacity seems practical to many. Property investment is available to all. We're noted that highly successful investors in Australia have further benefited from property investment. However, property investment is available to everyone. You don't have to be wealthy to accumulate it. With a cash budget in place, low interest rates, and the ability to borrow potentially up to 95% into residential property, property investment can be very much available to many. With the help of a property advisor, you can implement a plan. You don't have to be rich to be a property investor. Regular income through rent. The rental income you receive from your investment property provides a regular monthly income stream. Regardless if the property is experiencing capital growth or not, the property will still earn income. The income can be used to support your lifestyle or reduce your debt. Over time, with the view of inflation, you may get plenty of opportunity to increase the rent. With an increasing population, this is inevitable. It's also worth noting, not all property is equal. Location and property types can influence the level of income you can generate. For example, inner city locations generally have a higher rental demand compared to outer suburban areas. If you'd like to learn tips on increasing your rental return, please visit our market insight on our website at www.crestproperty.net.au. Next, property security. When comparing property investment to other assets such as Bitcoin, currency exchange, derivatives and shares, property investment has been a better asset for security as it retains a lower risk and demonstrates less volatility. Looking at these other forms of investment, many have gone bankrupt. Can you recall when property has gone bankrupt? Even the largest companies in the world have gone insolvent. The owner of a property may go bankrupt, but a property will not. Have you noticed that banks will borrow you up to $500,000 or more, depending on how financially independent you are? How many people have you met have been approved to borrow $500,000 to purchase a share portfolio? The banks have borrowed more money towards first-class mortgages secured against property than any other form of security. Consistent capital growth. It's said that the Melbourne and Sydney property markets have doubled in value every 7 years. This pattern of capital growth has been recorded over the last 45 years. Not every year witnesses capital growth. There are years when the property market will be flat, while other times it will decrease in capital growth. With professional advice, you'll experience more positive capital growth than negative. However, the volatility on an average yearly basis is moderate compared to any other form of investment. The key to a successful property portfolio is taking a long-term outlook. A long-term strategy of holding your property will capture the capital growth we all want. The ability to borrow money to buy. As highlighted earlier, not all investments can be used to secure a loan. One of the significant benefits to property investment are banks having a greater appetite to borrow money for property. This allows many investors the opportunity to collect enough funds to buy a property. Another reason is investment control. When buying an investment property, the control and flexibility is quite high to other assets. You have the ultimate say when you want to buy or sell that property. You have the decision to be able to make in terms of when you're going to rent it, how much you're going to rent it, and who you want to rent it to. Over the long term, you can choose to sell that property at whatever price you want down the track, as long as someone agrees to buy it from you. Tax benefits. Property investment is a very rewarding asset. We have the ongoing income through rent. We have capital growth through the increase in value over time, but we also get the tax benefits for owning one. If you'd like to learn more about tax benefits, again, go to our market insights area on our website at www.crestproperty.net.au. Got some really good information on that stuff too. These tax benefits can improve the cost effectiveness of investing. These tax deductions can potentially reduce your tax liabilities by improving your cash flow. Finally, is property the best investment? We understand the property investment market isn't for everyone. As we all require a home to occupy, we can all appreciate property is an incredible asset. It is a very successful way to becoming financially independent and demonstrates so many reasons why it is potentially the best investment to choose. Again, we said this is not right for everyone, so we do ask that you do seek advice from a financial advisor. They will assess your situation and make sure they understand your risk tolerance by going through a number of things in a fact-finding process. If you'd like to learn more about buying property, feel free to contact us through our website. Again, the website is www.crestproperty.net.au. Good luck and happy investing.